This is Ace here with Hillbilly How To's. Today I'm going to show you how to install a smoke alarm. So on this one, on the back of it, it shows which way is up when you're installing, and it also shows a line. It should be an A that you want to get in line with your wall. So I'm going to be placing this one over a door frame. So I'm going to line these two lines and make them parallel with the door frame. And I put it over the frame, and then I just need to drill my two holes here, and then once the fire alarm gets placed, it'll cock in sideways and then it'll spin where it's straight up and down. So we're going to be using the screws that came with it, which they were in the back of the fire alarm. They've got two things that actually stick into the sheetrock to hold the screws in, to give you something to screw in. So we'll drill some holes and then hammer these in just lightly, and then the screws will screw into this to give you something to hold on to, so these are not screwed straight into the sheetrock. If you screw these straight into the sheetrock, they just pull out very easily. So this just gives you more of a firm mounting. I'm now centering the mounting over the door frame, and I'm aligning the lines that are printed on the mounting parallel with the door frame, and then I will mark the two holes with a black magic marker. There is a pin that comes with this alarm that you can stick in the side of the alarm to keep children from removing the alarm easily.